Hello friends, today we will be seeing about the levy of GST, which is a very important aspect for your practical problems. So levy and collection of tax, that is section 9 regarding GST, we are going to see today. Let us first understand what all terms are involved in this. GST is an indirect tax, as you all know, levied on the supply of goods and services, and it has replaced many indirect tax laws which were previously existing in India. In India, both the center and state have been assigned the powers to levy and collect the taxes through appropriate legislations. The fiscal powers between the center and the states are clearly demarcated in the constitution with almost no overlap between the respective domains. Thus, there is a dual tax in the form of central GST and state GST. So, understand here the thing what we have to do is, now it is in India, the power to collect levy and collect the tax, it is with the center as well as with the states. So we are following this dual tax structure. So central will also get the GST income and state will also get the GST income. So for that reason, you should understand the tax which is collected by the central, that is known as CGST. So here, wherever we have to talk about central GST, we will be using the term CGST. And when it is for the state GST, we are going to use the term SGST. And if it is a union territory, it will be UTGST. So this is basically these three terms we have to keep in mind, that is CGST, SGST and UTGST. This is for the intra-state supply. Now what do you mean by intra-state supply? Within the state or within the union territory, we are using this term, that is intra, I-N-T-R-A. And when it is interstate, interstate implies it will be interstate supply of taxable goods or services. That means between two states, between one state and union territory, or between two union territories, then it will be subjected to IGST, that is integrated goods and service tax. So IGST rate will be as per the applicable GST rate of goods or services, but it is collected by the center to avoid a disruption in the credit chain. The tax collected under IGST shall be apportioned between the union and states in the manners as may be provided by Parliament by law on the recommendation of Goods and Services Tax Council. Then, import of goods or services are treated as interstate supply and hence they are subject to IGST. Center and states jointly decide the applicable GST rate and GST Council then notify the final GST rate for the goods and services. Thank you and keep watching our upcoming sessions.